Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C55 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find notifications and control center. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the status bar option, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here we've got the battery indicator. Let's tap. As you can see, we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one or the one with the percentage inside the battery icon, which is currently applied, and you can set the percentage next to the battery icon. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. So it is the most visible kind of option from which we can choose, because inside the battery icon is much smaller, so it will be able to fit. However, it's still visible. So of course it's up to you which option is more comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.